hospital in the United States that had air conditioning. And you know what? That was caused from a young fella from Buffalo, New York came down here. You New Yorkers, see if y'all know this. He came down here and made a deal with the building people to try one of his things called a new wall. Look all the way to the very top of it. This hospital is the birthplace of comedian Carol Burnett, as well as Marine Lieutenant Colonel Oliver North. And speaking of him, we love our military here in San Antonio. Anybody on board that's current military, previous military here, and they built it in the shade of the only big cottonwood trees on this entire river, because most of them lived there for over a year. He, of course, is the author of the best-selling book, Roots. Now, this section, you see all these lights hanging from the trees? They're putting up our Christmas lights, and they put up 3.5 million of these lights here in San Antonio, and they turn them all on with a big countdown, 3, 2, 1 type thing, the Friday night after Thanksgiving. Pretty impressive. And they have a big parade with 30 or 40 corporate boats with rock bands on them. It all has to do with Texas, though. They got permission to move it. So they tried something never before done, and since then either. They jacked up that 3-story brick hotel, put 300 car tires, wheels, and axles under it, and moved it 5 blocks to where it is still today, just the other side of the hill.
That's when